Large language models, or LLMs in short, are type of artificial intelligence that can generate media like humans. That media could be text, code, images, or videos, etc. There are two types of LLMs: base LLM and instruction tuned LLM. In this video, we will see in simple words as what's the difference between these two types of LLMs. Let's have a quick look at base LLM. Base LLMs are trained on large set of data and they predict next word on the basis of that data. For example, if you prompt this base LLM like if you start early, then it may complete this sentence with you will finish early or something similar, whatever it found in its data set. And that data set could be anything from internet because there could be a lot of blogs, articles where this base LLM might have been trained. But if you prompt it with a different question, such as you ask it most expensive city in Australia with question mark, then it may respond with something it was trained on. It might have been a quiz it found it in this data set from the internet. So instead of answering it correctly, it might just respond with the rest of the questions in that quiz, such as least expensive city in Australia, most populous, most beautiful. So according to this base LLM, it answered you on the basis of its learning from that data set, but in reality, this is not what you are looking for. This is where second type of LLM comes into play, which is called as instruction tuned LLM. And that is why we have a second type of LLM, which is, as I said, instruction tuned LLM. And this is the type of LLM which is the most practical and used in real world these days. The instruction tuned LLM is trained on instructions from human. So the way this instruction tuned LLM work is that you start with base LLM and guide that LLM with feedback to correct its mistakes. So when you ask it most expensive city in Australia and instead of giving you correct answer if it produces quiz like answers, you guide it to the correct answer. And then next time when you ask it based on previous learning, this instruction tuned LLM gives you the correct answer. These LLMs are further refined by using a technique called as RLHF, which stands for reinforcement learning with human feedback to make the system better follow the instructions. As I mentioned, instruction tuned LLMs will be the future of LLM as they are easier and more aligned to the practical usage of generative AI. I hope that you found it useful. There are a lot of things which are related to these LLMs, but I have tried to explain this concept in as simple words as possible. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thank you very much.